Did you know that on average, 79% of your leads won't ever turn to sales? And this isn't because they're not interested, it's because they're not nurtured properly. That's why with High Level, we can use features like lead scoring in order to manage and communicate our leads interest levels right within our sub account. This is a really cool feature, so let's dive right in. Now, I'm sure you're using your CRM to the best of your ability, using things like the contact screen and your opportunity pipelines. But adding on lead scoring is a really effective way to manage your leads and document which ones are engaged the most. We can do this by navigating to settings, then scrolling down to manage scoring. This is a really great feature that will allow us to score our leads based on their engagement, and we can add new rules, change calculations, and customize this feature to fit our business needs. For example, we can have an action like if an email is opened, then it can add 1 point to a lead. We can also add a point if an appointment is scheduled, or if a contact has replied and has a tag. And we can add lots more rules by just clicking add new rule at the top right hand side. Then we can click if a and then select our action. So let's say form submitted, then our sub action can be optional, and we can do things like selecting which form or selecting which tag, anything like that. And then we can add our point on the right hand side. So let's say we're going to add 5 points for every time a lead has submitted a form. We can click save, then set this to publish, and click save once more at the bottom of our screen. And now we have officially engaged engagement scoring. Now, once our lead scoring is turned on, we can use this in lots of different places in our sub account. The top 3 places that I would say you can use this are first in contacts, where you can add a filter for engagement scoring to your contact lists and do things like creating smart lists, creating filters, all based on this engagement score, whether it's empty, not empty, less than, or more than. So let's say we want to make a list of our most engaged contacts that have more than 5 points for their engagement scoring. These are going to be the people that have submitted that form, as well as performed other actions within the sub account. We can do that, click apply, and then we'll have a list of just the people that fit that criteria. And we can save this as a smart list, give it a name, and save this in order to segment our contact lists for future use. We can also use this in conversations by using our filter in the top left-hand side and selecting engagement score. And again, we can select a filter from a range. So maybe we want to select contacts that are in the 5 to 10 range, or maybe we want to add in above or below scoring filters and fit other criteria like that. You can also use lead scoring within automations to add points, remove points, trigger automations, and so much more. It's a really cool feature that I hope you get to dive into. And as always, I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.